Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to import Gmail calendars into Outlook. This is incredibly useful if you're managing multiple calendars across different platforms and want everything consolidated in one place for easier scheduling and organization. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and logging into your account. You'll need to wait a moment for your emails to fully load before we can proceed with the import process. This ensures that all your Outlook features are ready and accessible. Once your email has loaded completely, we're ready to begin importing your Gmail calendar. Navigate to the File menu, which you'll find located on the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are positioned. Click on the File tab to open this menu. When the File menu opens, look for an option labeled Open and Export. Click on it and the menu will expand to show you additional options. From this expanded menu, click on Import/Export. This is the gateway to bringing external calendar data into Outlook. An Import/Export window will now appear on your screen. This window contains various import and export options for different file types. Look carefully for the option that says Import an iCalendar, and here I mean .ics file or vCalendar file, which is .vcs. Click on this option to select it, then click the Next button to proceed. A File Explorer window will now appear, allowing you to browse your computer's files. This is where you'll locate the Gmail calendar file that you previously exported from Google Calendar. Navigate through your folders to find the calendar file. Once you've located it, click on it to select it, then click the OK button. Your Gmail calendar will now be imported and added to your Outlook calendar. The events, appointments, and schedules from your Gmail calendar are now accessible directly within Outlook, giving you a unified view of all your commitments in one application. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.